Size. See here, a certain pesticide is packed into bags. All of you know pesticides. So they are packing in bags by a machine. Full stop. Okay, then we have to continue the story. A random sample of 10 bags. So this is your sample size. Number of bags will indicate your sample size. How many bags are there? Random sample of 10 bags is drawn. So that is N. And their contents are found to weigh in kgs. A bags ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 bags ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they have taken 10 bags and they are filling the pesticides. In first bag they are filling 50 kg, comma. In second bag they are filling 49 kg. Third bag they are filling 52 kg. Fourth bag they are filling 44. Fifth bag 45. Sixth bag 48. Seventh bag 46. 45, 49, 45. Understood? So in each and every bag they are packing different amount of pesticides, kgs of pesticide. So first we have to, they will not mention whether it is a T test or a Z test. So T test we have to identify with the help of sample size. So that is nothing but number of bags is 10. So they have not mentioned standard deviation. In this story they have not mentioned standard deviation. Whether they have mentioned standard deviation? No. So if standard deviation is not given, so we have to use this formula, T formula. So that is nothing but X bar is sample mean, M is population mean, whole divided by S is nothing but standard deviation divided by square root of N. See here, what are the things they have given here? So how many number of bags are given? 10. So number of bags, a sample of 10 bags. That is N. That is nothing but 10 bags. So in this story we got N. Second one is test if the average is nothing but mean. Mean packing can be drawn to be 50 kg. So there is no sample word here. Whether any sample word is here? No. So if that sample word is not there, then it is population mean. It is population mean. So population mean is indicated as M. That is nothing but 50 kg. Now in this formula we require X bar. And in this formula we require standard deviation. We got N and we got population mean. We don't know X bar. We don't know yes. So we have to find out X bar, that is nothing but sample mean. X bar indicates sample mean, we have to find out. Second one is yes. Yes is nothing but standard deviation. So we have to find out standard deviation also. So we have given the values. All these are the values of 10 bags. Okay. So these are all the X values. These are all the X values. So what we have to do? Now we have to write the data in column wise. So just tell me the values. 44, 35, 48, 46, 45, 49, 45. So these are all the values of X. See in this formula we require X bar and we require yes from this formula, right? So X bar means it is mean. So mean we can get by using this formula, summation of X divided by N. So here is nothing but number of counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is 10 are there?
52.
So here 50 is there.
52.
52 is here. So total number of bags are 10 bags. So N is 10 bags. Right? Now we have to get summation of X. So we have to add all these X values. So what is summation of X? Add all these 10 values, we will get summation of X. Do it faster. 473 is the total summation of X. So we got summation of X also, that is 473. Now these two data we have to put in this formula, we will get X bar. So that is nothing but 473 divided by what is N? N is 10. So what is X bar? 47.5. 50. See here we got this also 47.3. And we know population mean also. Population mean is 50. We know n also. N is nothing but 10. We don't know S. Now we have to calculate? Yes. So how to calculate S? See, I told you for F test there is one formula. So I told you for F test there is one formula, right? So that is nothing but summation of dx square divided by n minus 1. So here also we have to use the same formula for variance. For variance we are using this formula, right? In F test we were using variance formula as s square equal to summation of dx square whole divided by n minus 1 for calculating variance. Is it right? So here also we have to, now what is mean by dx? Dx is nothing but x minus x bar. Okay? So now we have to create a new column. So we have to create a new column that is nothing but x minus x bar. What is x bar by we got? 47.3. Now all these are the x values. So when I put x equal to 50 in first row and when I subtract with 47.3, how much I will get?
2.7.
So I get 2.7. Similarly, when I put x equal to 49, second row value I will get as 1.7. Do it first. So when I put x equal to 44, so 44 minus 47.3, how much? Minus 3.3. So when I put x equal, so now we have to get dx square. We have to get dx square. So minus, this is nothing but 2.7 square. How much?
7.29.
7.29. Now next, dx is how much for second row? 1.7 square.
2.89.
2.89 for third. So minus 3.3 square.
10.89.
10.89 for fourth.
5.59.
So dx is minus 2.3 square. How much?
5.29.
5.29. So get the value similarly.
0.49.
0.49. 1.69. Right? 2.3 is how much?
5.29.
1.7 is how much?
2.89.
Again 2.3 is nothing but 5.49. 4.7 square.
21.09.
22.09. Now we have to get summation of dx square. What is summation of dx square? Add all these values. So this is nothing but summation of dx square divided by m1 minus 1. So dx square over or you can write as x minus x bar also. There is no problem. So what is dx? X minus x bar. From second model we know that dx means deviation of x value from its mean. 64.
64.1.
64.1. Now I will calculate variance. That is s square equal to summation of dx square divided by n minus 1. What is summation of dx square? 64.1 whole divided by what is the number of forms?
10.
10 bags are there. 10 minus 1. So 64.1 divided by 9. So what is s square? 122. So but in formula we require s. So s is nothing but standard deviation. In hypothesis s square indicates variance. We don't want variance. So we want standard deviation. So s is here. So this square from left to right, if I push from left side to right side, square will become square root. So 7.122. So what is standard deviation?
2.668.
2.668. So this is our standard deviation. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now we got everything. Just you can go and write in your home. Now we will go to t-test formula. So t-test formula is nothing but x bar minus m divided by s divided by square root of n. Because there is no standard deviation given. So standard deviation is we are finding with the help of variance formula, right? So standard deviation is not given, means we have to use this formula. So we know what is x bar value. What x bar? What is x bar value? How much?
47.3.
47.3. X bar is 47.3. And this number of 10 bags are there. And mean is how much? Mean is how much? Population mean?
50 kg.
50 kg. And we got yes. Yes is nothing but 2.668. So we have to put all these values in this formula to get the answer. So T equal to, so x bar is 47.3 minus mean is 50 kg whole divided by standard deviation is how much? 2.668 whole divided by square root of 10. So first we have to get the square root of 10. What is the difference? What is the difference of this? Minus 2.7 divided by. So we just divide it and get the final answer. Square root first get the square root of 10. Then divide 2.668 divided by. So if we divide both these values, how much you are getting? 843. So T equal to minus 3.202. See a negative. T value is not going to come as negative, so we have to put in modulus. So T modulus is nothing but 3.202. So this is T calculated value. This is T calculated value. Now we have to go and find T table value. So we have to find out T table value. Okay. Go to T table value. So T table value we have to find out. So significance of table is given as 5%. So degree of freedom is nothing but n minus 1. So n is nothing but 10. 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. So degree of freedom is 9. Go to two-tail test. Two-tail test and check the table value. See the T table value. T table value at 0.05% of significance level. What is the table value?
2.265.
2.6. 2.6262. So this is our table value. Now we have to compare T table value with T calculated value. And finally we have to write the conclusion. Now write down T calculated. So T calculated value was 3.202 equal to T table value. What was T table value? That is nothing but 2.262. Now which is greater?
Calculated.
The calculated value is greater. Hence, reject null